And guys are ready to get this match started.
If you haven't hit record yet, now might be a good time to do that. These guys are going to have a match you'll want to watch over and over again.
Oh, look at what's coming! Again! That's two! Perhaps a trifecta? Oh. Ooh, what impact! Boom! Did you hear the impact? Nice neck breaker! Setting it up. Oh, and a backbreaker. Right to the spine. Harsh impact. Wicked body shot. Boom! Right between the eyes. Inverted suplex. Ooh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Inverted atomic drop. Just sending a message there. Landing hard off the back suplex. And he's heading back in. Kick right to the leg. He's in control. Oh, right to the throat. German suplex. Uh-oh. Oh, it's locked in. The cross. Whoa, he works his way out. Tear the features clean off your face. That will get your attention. Elbow smash. Definitely not where you want to be right now. Oh, my God. Oh, and a backbreaker. Right to the spine. Oh, flying forearm. That'll turn your lights out. Oh, what a right. Yeah, that's some attitude behind it. Inverted suplex. He's looking to bring this one to the outside where things can get ugly in an instant. Ooh, right to the face. Elbow right to the back of the neck. Oof. Boom, what impact. Now in full control. Ouch. Punch. Jarred. Oh, and his aggression, just pure brutality. Come on, easy. Elbows off the chest. There's a crucifix, nicely done. Up and... Oh, man, vicious elbows. Great counter. Impressive in-ring IQ on display. Gets to the ropes, forcing the break.
Michael, I have to question the decision to go for a submission so close to the ropes.
Had it scouted. Drop toe hold. Set up for the sweep. Nicely done. Kick to the gut. Look at this. Quick pin, can he do it? But he let him go.
Yeah, and I'm sure his opponent doesn't mind one bit.
Knee right to the midsection. Look out! Wow, a discus clothesline. Russian leg sweep. Hit the mark with that one. Right to the kidneys from behind. Uh-oh, submission move. Set him up. Side Russian leg sweep. Oh, perfect form. What's he got in mind? DDT! This is a tough spot to find yourself in, that's for sure. Looking to sneak one in. And a kick out, much to. Looking at it here. Nice neck breaker. And the fight must go on.
Yeah, he's not done yet.
Fujiwara just in reach of the rope.
Not sure why he would go for the submission so close to the ropes. Definitely not the best strategy I've ever seen.
Bear hug. Look at the power. This could be it. He's lining him up. And he breaks the hold. Point of the elbow, nailed it. Off the shoulders. Up and back between the ropes. ready to raise his hand. Ooh, what impact. Oh, man, he breaks the hold. Oh, look at what's coming. Again. That's two. Perhaps a trifecta. Long distance drop. And a pin attack. Oh, and a painful stretch here. He's just about there. He forces his way free. Man, he just has so much resolve. Bang! Here it comes. Looking forward. He's not going to Kenny end it. Look at this. Curious decision. Another big move. He's got the shoulders down. Such incredible impact. 2 count. Chop up another one. Corey, we got to take a look at this action. Here are your winners. What an amazing match and a huge victory. Nicely done.
This win is exactly why so many superstars hope their number never gets called to face this guy.
I think I can safely speak for all of us when I say that was an amazing contest.